Hello students, now we start this topic 7. Chapter 7 we start, and this topic is very interesting topic. Look at this, name of this topic is permutations and combination. Look at this topic is very important for IIT exam and all the competitions of bank. This topic is very important, and look here, we will start this part 1, and this is a very important part here, that is the fundamental principle of counting. We will do this part by a picture, so understand these. Look here, Suresh has 3 pants and 2 shirts. How many different pairs of a pant and a shirt can he dress up? Look here, 3 pant he has, pant 1, pant 2 and pant 3. Here shirt, 2 shirts are shirt 1 and shirt 2. So how many way he can dress up, we have to find out. Look here, we first put these 3 pant. Look here 3 pants are pant 1, pant 2 and pant 3. These 3 pants, and for each pant we can have 2 shirts we have here. So look here, for pant, with the pant first we can use shirt 1 or shirt 2, and with pant 2 we can use shirt 1 or shirt 2. With the pant 3 we can use the shirt 1 or shirt 2. So how many options we can have here, you can understand these. So look here, if we use pant 1 and shirt 1, we get this combination pant 1, P1 and S1. You can check. If we use this pant 1 and shirt 2, we get a combination pant 1 and shirt 2, P1 and S2. If we use pant 2 and shirt 1, this combination will be here pant 2 and shirt 1. Here this pant 2 and S2 we use P2 and S2 we get. Similarly P3 and S1 we use P3 and S1 we will get. P3 and S2 we will get here P3 and S2. So look here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 way we have total. How we can find out? Look here, these 3 pants are followed by, each pant is followed by the 2 shirts. So this 3 we multiply by 2, we get here 6. So this method is the fundamental principle of counting we have. Look here, there are 3 pants available, and for each pant there are 2 choices of a shirt. So there are 3 pants and 2 shirt, means we have 3 into 2, total 6 pairs of pant and shirt we have. Look here, we can check here 6 pair we have. P1 S1, P1 S2, P2 S1, P2 S2, P3 S1 and P3 S2. So look here, one more example we can do here. Look here, the second. Nancy has 2 school bags, 3 tiffin boxes and 2 bottles. Look here, 2 bag you can see, 3 tiffin boxes you can see, and 2 water bottle D1 and D2. Look here, first of all she will select from these 2 one bag she will select. So she has total 2 options. After that, from the 3 tiffin box she will select 1 tiffin box. So total she has 3 options. Now from the 2 bottles she has to select 1 bottle, so she has total 2 options. So total 2 into 3 into 2, so total 12 options she has here. So look here, first we will keep here 2 bags. So you can check here, these 2 bags we will keep here, bag 1 and bag 2. So each bag is followed by the 3 tiffin boxes. So look here, bag 1 also tiffin 1 we have, bag 1 also we can select the tiffin 2, and with this also tiffin 3. Now with this bag 2 also we have tiffin 1, tiffin 2 and tiffin 3. Now each the tiffin box is followed by the 2 water bottle. Bottle 1 is D1 and bottle second is D2. Here bottle, the first is D1 and second is D2. Again all same as it is. Okay, so now we have total here. These are B1, T1 and D1. B1, T1, D1. Second is B1, T1 and D2. Okay. Third is B1, T2 and D1. Okay. Fourth is B1, T2 and D2. Fifth is B1, T3 and D1. Okay. Then sixth is B1, T3 and D2. Okay. Then seven will be from here. Now back to we have to take. So back to means B2, T1 and D1. This is 7th. Now next is B2, T1 and D2. That is 8th. Then B2, T2 and D1. That is 9th. B2, T2 and D2. That is 10th. Now B2 we will take here T3. So B2, T3, D1. That is 11th. Now B2, T3 and D2, that is 12. So we have here 12 ways. Look here how we can find out direct. This is 2 into 3 into 2. So we get here total 12 cases. A school bag can be chosen in 2 different ways. After a school bag is chosen, a tiffin box can be chosen in 3 different ways. After this, a water bottle can be chosen in 2 different ways. Nancy can carry these items in 2 into 3 into 2. That is total 12 ways. So this is the principle of counting. Student, this is a fundamental principle of counting. This is very important principle we have. So generally we can say multiplication principle because we have to multiply. So if an event can occur in m different way, look at any event can occur in m different ways, following which another event can occur in n different ways. Okay, the total number of occurrence of the events in this order. Order means first will be the first event and second will be second event. So total we have to multiply m into n. So we get this m into n. Now if we have 3 events, if an event can occur in m different ways followed by another events that can occur in n different ways, and then third event can occur by p different ways, means first this event will be, second this event and third this event. So total number of occurrence in the given order will be m into n into p we have to do. So this is the simple multiplications we have. So look here in the this is 3 pant we have and 2 shirts. So total the possible way we can find out that 3 into 2 that is 6. So we get their answer. 6 answers we get here. They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All of you understand this? Same as it is, we have the second problem. There we have 2 school bag and 3 tiffin boxes and 2 bottles. So total number of ways there 2 into 3 into 2 we have. So that is 2 into 3 6 into 2 is 12. So total 12 ways we have there. So we can check here. There are the total 12 ways we have there. So all of you understand this is the principle of counting we have. How many 3-digit numbers can be formed from the digits 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5? Here 5 digits we have, assuming that the repetition of the digits is allowed and the second is the repetition of the digit is not allowed. So look here, first we will take here the digits are given. Digits are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. And look here, first question is here that the repetition of the digit is allowed. First of all, we make here 3-digit number. So for the 3-digit number, we have the 3 places: 100th place, 10th place and unit place. Look here, we have here the first case is repetition of the digit is allowed. So at the 100th place we can put any digit. Okay, so we have here 5 digits, so you have here 5 way to fill this 100th place. Then second is 10th place. So you can repeat, suppose from this you can select here 3, and then from that remaining we will not take, we take all these numbers. So from the 10th place we can put any 5 digit from this above. So we have here 5 ways. Okay, now the unit place also we have here 5 ways. So here we can write here, look here, since repetition of the digits is allowed, therefore each place can be filled in a 5 way. So you can see this 5 way we have here. Hence 3 places can be filled in 5 into 5 into 5, means total we have 125 way. So the required 3 digit number, required 3 digit number equal to 125. So we have here 125 numbers. By these digits we can prepare that any number can be repeat here. Look here, if repetition of the digits is not allowed, we have here 5 digit 1 2 3 4 and 5. If repetition is not allowed, means here first of all at the 100th place you can put any digit from this. So we have 5 here ways. Look here, next time suppose from these you select 2. Okay, so 2 you cannot repeat again. So how many are remaining? 1 2 3 4. So here at the 10th place we can fill by 4 ways. Okay, now if you select here suppose 4, then remaining are 1 3 and 5, means here 3 are digits are remaining. So we have here 3 ways. Okay, so if the digits is not allowed, we have here 5 ways for first place, for second place we have 4 ways, and for third place we have here 3 ways. Look here, since repetition is not allowed, so 100th place can be filled by 5 ways, followed by 10th place filled by 4 ways, then units place can be filled by 3 ways. So total 3 places can be filled by 5 into 4 into 3, that is 60 ways. So we can find out the total 3 digit number, that the digit is not repeated, that is 60. Okay, so we have here this answer. All of you understand this? This is a very important question. How many 3 digit even numbers can be formed from the digits 1 2 3 4 5 6 if the digits can be repeated? So look here, we have here digits are 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, and look here, we have to prepare the even number. So from these we have to check the even digits. Okay, so even digits are 2, next is 4 and 6. All of you understand this? Look here all of you, this is 3 digit places we have to prepare, 100th place and 10th place and unit place. Look here, we have to prepare the even number, 3 digit even number we have to prepare. So at the unit place we have to fill first the even digits number. So even digit numbers are 3. From these 3 numbers only we can put here. Okay, we have to put here only even number because we have to prepare the 3 digit even number. So we have how many options here? 3 options. So we have 3 ways. And look here, next here we have to prepare the digit that can be repeated. Digits can be repeated. Digits can be repeated. Digits can be repeated means if we use any number from these, you can write again at the 100th place and 10th place. So we have here for the 100th place we have here 6 ways, and at the 10th place we have 6 ways. So total number of 3 digit, total number of ways to fill 3 places equal to 6 into 6 into 3, and that is equal to 108. So we will have here total 3 digit even number equal to 108. All understand this? This is a very important question. How many 4-letter code can be formed using the first 10 letters of the English alphabet? if no letter can be repeated. Here no repetition is given. And English alphabet, we have English alphabet. Total letters are 26. From these, first 10 letters we have to use. Okay, from these 10 letters we have to use. So 10 letters are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I and J. These are the 10 letters we have to use. Okay, and prepare a 4-letter code. Look here, 4-letter code we have to prepare. This is a 4-letter code. So look here, we have here 10 letters are available, and repetition is no letter can be repeated, means here no repetition. No repetition. For first letter, this can be filled by, look here, this first place can be filled by 10 ways. Okay, and if you select any number, suppose you select E, then remaining are 9 ways. And if you select from this G, then remaining are 8 ways. And if you select here I, then remaining are here 7 ways. So this type you can fill the 4-letter code we have to fill. So total number of ways to fill 4 places equal to 10 into 9 into 8 into 7, and this is equal to 5040 ways. So we have to prepare how many 4-letter code. So here there are 5040, and there are 5040 letter codes will be. All of you understand this?